Hello, welcome to Beau Hannam Guitars. This is a sound sample for instrument 78. So what the customer wanted for this instrument was a double cutaway, all black guitar with purple accents and a Gibson scale length, so 24 3/4 scale length. And this is a double cutaway electric, which I don't normally do. It's really difficult to get on film because it's just all black. Black body, black neck, black headstock. There is some purple accents, which you've got to look close to see. But the jewel in the crown, so to speak, is this beautiful purple gold foil pickup by Curtis Novak. And it is a gold foil GTX HMB. That's the code on the website. curtisnovak.com is where you get these pickups. This pickup is about $165 for one. Really nice sounding, you'll hear it later. So for the volume control, I used a CTS push-pull pot. And what that does is it changes it to series parallel. So there's two different tones, which just gives a little more breadth, I suppose, in regard to the possibilities of tone. Because if you've got one pickup, you have half as much as a guitar with two pickups. So I just wanted to maximize what this guitar could do. The knobs are lathed ebony, so they're nice. Felt good to have them instead of like a metal knob. The back of the neck has Clusen black, of course. The body itself is swamp ash. I've coupled that with a black Shaler Haynes 6 bridge, which is really, really nice. You don't see many of these, but on the palm of your hand here, it's really nice. There is nothing to grab or hurt you or anything like that. And that's the back of the Haynes 6 system. 2 bolts here to keep the actual bridge on. And then there's this string ferrule, which is a solid bit of metal. So you just have to ground that. It's a really good system. But I think they've done away with this one bar and they've gone to individual ones, which can't be as good because you've got to ground each individual ferrule, which is kind of dumb. Why you have to do that is there's nothing metal that touches the strings on this bridge. This back part is metal, but all this is similar to black tusk, which is actually what the nut is, TUSQ. So you've got to ground it in a different way, and that's with the bar for the string ferrules. I did a custom control cavity cover. It's purple glitter on the underside. For the strap buttons, I use the strap lock system. Having a double cutaway and this strap button here, it's kind of top heavy. It definitely tips down, but I didn't see any other way around that. I could put it there, which, you know, gives it another 2 inches forward, but there's not really a good place for it on this shape. If it's a Les Paul type of thing, this would come down here and you could put it right up here. But alas, it's not. Another thing that was tricky to make was, one, this is a double cutaway, so the neck has to be inlaid in here, and this went to about there, but it doesn't have a pick guard. What I had to do was I pour-filled with epoxy everything and then just let it sit for like 6 months because I didn't want any witness lines of any building elements to telegraph through. It will eventually happen, but at the moment it looks very flat and beautiful, but they always do when they're new. The neck is mahogany, Honduran mahogany. The back of the headstock has a really nice, elegant volute. The frets are nickel silver. They are 80 thou wide and it's strung up with 10 to 42. The fingerboard is 12-inch radius, as is the bridge to match that. And the fingerboard is actually rock light. They don't really sell it anymore. You can't import it. LMI used to sell it along with the bindings, but it's kind of annoying to get because they don't like to ship to the US anymore. But it's basically an ebony substitute and it works really well. This was the last time I used rock light. I've since gone to Royal Blackwood for ebony substitutes, but this is actually a lot blacker than Royal Blackwood, which is torrefied purple heart. The jack plate is not a plate. It is what StewMac sell for Telecasters actually, but they're my favorite ones. It's I really don't like those Les Paul type plates. This one is a nice bowl and it's just easier to get the jack into. I've got to say, spraying a totally black guitar with a set neck is really, really hard. And I don't advise it. It's the first time I've done an all black guitar with a set neck, and it absolutely will be the last time. Life's too short to do this again. It is a beautiful, elegant, and simple looking guitar, which is hard to video because it's so black in here. But I'm going to do a sound sample. I'll just do a little bit with me playing kind of how I play. Then I have a friend of mine, Chris Chubbuck, who is going to play some sweet, sweet jazz. And he did this guitar justice, unlike what I will do for 20 seconds, and then I'll get to the real music. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it.